Hi, today I have Vivo V40 SE and I want to show you how add remove magnification to this device. Open settings application and it scroll down to our system selection, and there we tap on our date and time option. Not system selection but accessibility and shortcut, and their accessibility in it magnification. And now by the switch we can easily enable or disable this function. We can turn on it, configure by OK, and we have our shortcut to zoom our screen. Tap on shortcut and tap on screen. To change position of your zoom, use two fingers and swipe with it on screen. You can also zoom on or zoom out, or when you use one finger you can go up and down on your zoom. To turn off it, press again on your shortcut. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!